Hey everyone! Tired of struggling with car speaker installations? Today we're counting down the top 5 best car speaker wiring harness adapters on Amazon. These best sellers will make your life so much easier. These adapters are game changers, taking the guesswork and frustration out of the equation. We'll look into each one, discussing what makes them great and which vehicles they're perfect for. Whether you're a seasoned car audio pro or a beginner, there's something here for you. We're simplifying the process, protecting your car's wiring, and ensuring optimal sound quality. So stick around as we explore these top picks. And once you are done watching till the end, leave a comment below with your thoughts on these wiring harness adapters. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the incredibly popular 72 5600 speaker harness. This harness is compatible with a massive range of Ford, Lincoln, Mercury, and Mazda vehicles. Its wide compatibility takes the guesswork out of finding the right fit for your model and year. Built from high-quality ABS plastic, it withstands vibrations and temperature changes without cracking. The real magic is its super easy plug-and-play installation. Clip these adapters onto your new speakers, and the other end plugs directly into your car's factory wiring harness. No soldering, wire strippers, or crimp connectors needed. This is huge, especially if you're not comfortable with electrical work or working on a leased vehicle. What could be a complicated hour-long ordeal becomes a task that takes mere minutes per speaker. The clips are designed for a snug, secure fit, ensuring no loose connections. This harness ensures your positive and negative connections are correct every time. Using a harness like this protects your vehicle's factory wiring. If you ever decide to sell your car or return it at the end of a lease, you can easily remove your aftermarket speakers and reinstall the factory ones. The 72 5600 truly streamlines the entire speaker replacement process. It provides a solid electrical connection that won't degrade over time. For anyone looking to upgrade the sound in their Ford, Lincoln, Mercury, or Mazda, this adapter is a no-brainer. Many users rave about how this harness transformed their speaker installation from a dreaded task into a quick and satisfying project. When you consider the potential damage you could do by incorrectly wiring your speakers, this adapter pays for itself many times over. It's a simple solution to a common problem, and that's why it's a top seller. If you're driving one of the compatible vehicles and considering a speaker upgrade, pick up the 72 5600 harness. It ensures your new speakers sound their best and keeps your car's wiring in pristine condition. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can get those new speakers pumping out your favorite tunes. Coming in at number 4, we're looking at another offering of the fantastic Ford 72 5600 speaker harness. This harness is often marketed as a direct replacement for Ford F-150, F-250, Escape, Mustang, Lincoln, Mercury, and Mazda vehicles. Its popularity and specific benefits, particularly regarding the elimination of complex wiring tasks, deserve a second highlight. The core strength is its ability to make upgrading or replacing your speakers an absolute breeze. No soldering or splicing of wires is needed. This harness makes a speaker swap accessible to virtually anyone regardless of their technical skill level. With the 72 5600, all you need are basic tools to remove your door panel and speakers. The electrical connection part is made foolproof by the precision-molded connectors that simply click into place. This adapter features quality ABS plastic molded connectors, ensuring a perfect factory-like fit every time. The precision engineering means that the pins align correctly, the locking tabs engage securely, and the connection is robust against vibrations and daily use. When you're upgrading your car's audio, the last thing you want is to introduce new problems. By using a dedicated harness like the 72 5600, you are essentially guaranteeing a perfect connection from the get-go. This harness makes replacing worn-out factory speakers incredibly straightforward. You unclip the old speaker, clip the harness onto your new speaker, plug it into the car's harness, and you're done. Maintaining the integrity of your vehicle's factory wiring cannot be overstated. By using a plug-and-play adapter, you leave the original wiring completely intact. The convenience offered by this type of adapter also extends to the speed of installation. The 72 5600 turns what could be a half-day project into something you can knock out in an hour or two. It's about empowering you to take control of your car audio upgrades safely and easily. For anyone with a compatible Ford, Lincoln, Mercury, or Mazda, this adapter is your green light. Go for it. Moving on to our third pick, we have the Metra Electronics Metra 72, 7800 speaker connector harnesses. This one is specifically designed for all you Honda owners out there. Metra is a well-respected name in the car audio accessories world, known for their quality and precision fit products. One of the standout features of the 72, 7800 is the promise of a quick and easy installation. Metra has engineered this harness so that absolutely no cutting into your Honda's original wires is needed. This harness plugs directly into the original equipment radio harness on one end, and the other end connects to your new aftermarket speakers. This direct fit design means you don't have to guess which wire is positive and which is negative. The adapter ensures correct polarity for optimal speaker performance. This Metra 72, 7800 is perfect for removing underwhelming factory speakers and replacing them with something better. The process becomes incredibly streamlined. Honda vehicles are known for their reliability and longevity, and many owners love to personalize them. Upgrading the sound system is a popular modification, and this harness makes that upgrade accessible to everyone. The quality of the materials used in Metra harnesses ensures a reliable, long-lasting connection. For those of you with select Honda models, this harness takes the headache out of speaker installation. Imagine wanting to upgrade the speakers in your Honda Civic, Accord, CR-V, or another popular model. Instead of facing a confusing array of factory wires, you have a simple, elegant plug-in solution. If you're a Honda owner and new speakers are on your wish list, check out the Metra 72, 7800. Cruising into our number 2 spot, we have another fantastic offering from Metra, the Metra 72, 6514 speaker harness. This one is specifically tailored for Chrysler and Dodge owners, covering a wide range of vehicles from 1990 to current models. If you're rocking a Chrysler, Dodge, or even some Jeep vehicles, this harness is designed to make your life easier. Just like the other Metra products, the 72, 6514 is engineered for a quick and easy installation. A huge selling point is that there's absolutely no cutting of your vehicle's original wiring required. This harness plugs directly into the original equipment radio's speaker wiring. The connectors match the factory plugs precisely, ensuring optimal signal transfer. Metra mentions that this harness is fully equipped with state-of-the-art technology. This typically translates to high-quality materials, precision manufacturing techniques, and designs that ensure a reliable and long-lasting electrical connection. Many Chrysler and Dodge vehicles are prime candidates for speaker upgrades. The Metra 72, 6514 makes this upgrade process incredibly straightforward. Think about the alternative: trying to identify the correct speaker wires in an older vehicle. This harness eliminates all that uncertainty. The convenience factor is massive. Whether you're installing a full set of component speakers or just swapping out some coaxial units, this harness will save you significant time and effort. Using a vehicle-specific harness helps in maintaining the car's overall condition. If you ever decide to sell your Chrysler or Dodge, you can easily remove your aftermarket speakers and reinstall the factory units. For all the Chrysler, Dodge, and compatible Jeep owners looking to enhance their in-car audio experience, the Metra 72, 6514 speaker harness is a top-tier choice. It combines ease of installation with the quality and reliability that Metra is known for. Don't let wiring complexities hold you back from the audio upgrade you deserve. Finally, our top pick, the Metra 72, 4568 speaker harness for GM vehicles. Designed for GM cars, trucks, and SUVs from 1988 onwards, it's perfect for speaker installations and repairs. It connects aftermarket speakers to the factory harness, offering a plug-and-play solution. No cutting, splicing, or soldering needed. This adapter ensures a hassle-free installation. It can also repair a factory harness with damaged plugs, restore connections without major rewiring, provides a clean, pre-made plug solution, ideal for standard speaker upgrades, ensures correct polarity for proper sound, provides a secure, durable connection, fits a wide range of GM models from 1988 onwards, suitable for Chevrolet, GMC, Buick, Pontiac, Cadillac, and Oldsmobile. Simplifies speaker connections, turns a complex task into a simple one. Metra's quality ensures reliable performance, ensures every part of the signal chain is top-notch, perfect for upgrading sound or repairing connectors. A smart solution from a trusted brand for the best sound in your GM vehicle. And there you have it. Our countdown of the top 5 best car speaker wiring harness adapters you can find on Amazon. These gadgets are lifesavers, turning complicated wiring jobs into simple plug-and-play operations. Whether you're driving a Ford, Honda, Chrysler, Dodge, or GM, there's a harness designed to make your speaker upgrade smoother and safer. I hope this guide helps you pick the perfect adapter for your next car audio project. Upgrading your speakers is one of the best improvements you can make to your vehicle's entertainment system. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. All the links to the products mentioned today are in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy installing.